Welcome to Time for Bollywood. Nothing tugs at the heartstrings of a person the way a good army movie does. And today, we have a collection of top 10 Indian Army films that will make you smile and cry at the same time. Ready? Let's go! Number 10, Sher Shah, 2021. And this is definitely the one to knock out even the toughest guys out there. Yes, that's a bold statement. And yes, it has already been proven to be true. Released in 2021, Sher Shah is a movie that is known to make even the grown men cry. From the story to the performances, from the writing to the delivery, from the screenplay to the direction, this movie scores an A+ in every category. The movie is based on the life of Captain Vikram Batra, who sacrificed his life during the Kargil War of 1999. This movie was a saving grace for actor Siddharth Malhotra, whose spectacular portrayal of Captain Vikram Batra earned him the love of every person who watched this movie. But let us remind you, this movie is not for the faint-hearted, and not because the scenes are gruesome. They aren't actually. It's because this movie will make you fall in love and break your heart all in a span of 135 minutes. Number 9, The Ghazi Attack, 2017. People don't talk enough about this movie. Well, we are going to change that for you. Released in 2017, The Ghazi Attack is another movie inspired from the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. But there's a twist to this one. It's a fictional tale of Indian submarine named INS Karanj S-21, which stayed underwater for 18 days and destroyed the Pakistani PNS Ghazi submarine when it entered Indian waters to destroy INS Vikrant. So basically, before the enemy could destroy our main submarine, we destroyed theirs with a smaller submarine of ours. If that plot isn't enough to get you hooked, we also have an incredibly talented cast, starring Rana Daggubati, Atul Kulkarni, KK Menon, Taapsee Pannu and other fantastic actors. This movie has a powerhouse of talent with an amazing screenplay. Number 8, 1971, 2007. We have another film based on the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, but this one is a bit different. Even though it is named 1971, the story starts 6 years after the war. Released in 2007, 1971 is a movie inspired by true events that occurred following the war. It follows the lives of 6 Indian prisoners of war who were captured by the Pakistani army during the War of 1971. This gut-wrenching tale of Indian prisoners of war is sure to tug at every string of your heart. It will make you smile, cry, hope, pray, but most of all, it's going to make you want to salute every soldier who daringly risks his life for our country. This spectacular film has a spectacular cast consisting of Manoj Bajpayee, Ravi Kishan, Piyush Mishra, Vivek Mishra, Manav Kaul, Deepak Dobriyal, Kumud Mishra, Chittaranjan Giri and more. And guess what? Because of the power of the internet, 1971 went viral in 2020 and won hearts again. 13 years after its release, it found a new audience and to this day continues to do so.
आपको हमारी हुकूमत का एहसान मानना चाहिए कि पकड़े जाने के बावजूद आप जिंदा हैं।
एहसान तो आपको हमारी हुकूमत का मानना चाहिए, जिसने जंग खत्म होने के बाद 93,000 पाकिस्तानी फौजियों को जैसे का तैसा पाकिस्तान वापस कर दिया।
Number 7, Kesari, 2019. The bravest battle ever fought. That's what they say about the movie Kesari. And how could they be wrong? When Kesari depicts the true story of how just 21 Sikh soldiers defended our motherland and fought 10,000 invaders all by themselves. Yes, that's absolutely true. It was 21 against 10,000. Give you chills, doesn't it? What is even further chilling is the extraordinary narration of this story. Released in 2019 and starring Akshay Kumar, it's almost like every scene of Kesari tells a story in itself. There are some movies that just simply cannot be forgotten because their brilliance exceeds imagination. Kesari is one such movie, a definite must-watch.
आज तीनों किले हमारे हाथों में और इन किलों के सारे सिक्कों के पगड़ियां हमारे कदमों में। ओके। चल झूठा।
Number 6. LOC Kargil, 2003. We have another JP Datta film to gush over. Released in 2003, LOC Kargil depicts the story of the Kargil War fought between India and Pakistan. The movie is based on Operation Vijay, launched by the Indian Army in May 1999. Just like Border, LOC Kargil has a star-studded cast including Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt, Saif Ali Khan, Sunil Shetty, Abhishek Bachchan, Akshay Khanna, Nagarjuna and more. With a cast that talented and a director that driven, it's no wonder that LOC Kargil was a massive hit soon upon its release. But what makes it different from other Indian Army movies is the fact that this movie is over 4 hours long. Yes, that's correct. 4 hours. With gruesome scenes of war and heartbreaking scenes of loss, this movie does a commendable job at depicting the atrocities that a war brings with itself.
दुश्मन के बारे में हमारे पास कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है सर कि वो 8 हैं या 800।
8,000 भी हो तो क्या है साहब, वो हमारे घर में घुसे बैठे हैं, अगर उनको बाहर निकालना होगा तो निकालेंगे साहब।
Number 5. Border, 1997. One cannot simply miss Border while talking about the best Indian Army movies. After all, it's this movie that gave us the famous track Sandesh se aate hain. But Border isn't simply known for its extraordinary soundtrack. It's known for its extraordinary portrayal of the heart-wrenching story of the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Along with star-studded cast including Sunil Shetty, Sunny Deol, Jackie Shroff, Akshay Khanna, Pooja Bhatt, Tabu, Rakhi, Puneet Issar and more, this brilliant movie has the exceptional direction of JP Datta as well. Released in 1997, Border captures the agony and suffering of war in every scene. The complexities of war, the pain of countrymen, and the everlasting courage and love that binds us all together. If there's a movie that portrays this beautifully, it's Border.
सारे बैरिक्स उड़ गए।
लेकिन माँ के मंदिर को छू नहीं सके। रतन सिंह साहब जी, जीत हमारी जरूर होगी, क्योंकि माँ हमारे साथ है।
Number 4. Lakshya, 2004. Okay, now Lakshya is not your typical army movie, but it depicts the struggles and hard work of our much-loved Indian Army in such an endearing way that you cannot not talk about this movie. Released in 2004, Lakshya follows the life of an aimless fellow named Karan Shergill, brilliantly portrayed by Hrithik Roshan. As a regular youngster with no particular aim or Lakshya in life, Karan finds himself dragging through his days. That is, until he decides on joining the Indian Army because one of his friends wanted to. Lo and behold, the once aimless Karan becomes a completely different person upon joining the Indian Army. But his journey to becoming this person is what makes Lakshya such a loved movie. And the slowly brewing love story in the film acts as the perfect cherry on this cake. A must-watch indeed.
रोमी, तुम हमेशा कहती थी ना कि मेरी जिंदगी में कोई लक्ष्य नहीं। अब है।
Number 3. Uri, The Surgical Strike, 2019. And we are back with another Vicky Kaushal movie. Seems like the man is just the right fit for such roles, isn't it? Uri, The Surgical Strike was released in 2019 and was based on the true event of retaliation of the 2016 Uri attack. The movie follows the story of Major Vihan Shergill, brilliantly played by Vicky Kaushal, who played a pivotal role in this event. Get ready to get some goosebumps and tears at the same time while watching this one. With an exceptional supporting cast and direction, every scene of this movie tells a heart-wrenching tale of sacrifice in a way you have never seen before. Oh, and how can we forget the ever-so-viral dialogue? How's the Josh? This movie had every youngster in the country saying, "How's the Josh?" almost 10 times a day. Well, we bet you end up saying the same after watching this spectacular movie.
Indian Army ने ये जंग शुरू नहीं की थी, but we will bloody hell finish it. Yes, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. Jai Hind. Jai.
Number 2. Hakikat, 1964. Now that we have talked about a recent film, let's take you back a few decades to explore this much-loved gem of a movie, Hakikat. Released in 1964, yes, we are taking you back 6 decades. Hakikat was a movie that set a standard that movies released even today try hard to match. Based on the Sino-Indian War of 1962, Hakikat narrates the story of Captain Bahadur Singh and his platoon in Ladakh. The way Dharmendra has portrayed his role of Captain Bahadur Singh is beyond exceptional. And let me tell you, this is not a movie that you can watch with a straight face. Sit with a box of tissues by your side whenever you watch this one. Even after 6 decades of Hakikat, its songs are still loved throughout the country. Do you recognize? अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, होके मजबूर उसने मुझे भुलाया होगा. Yes, this is the movie that gave us these timeless melodies. Number 1. Sam Bahadur, 2023. Sam Bahadur follows the life of India's first Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. Directed by Meghna Gulzar, this movie expertly takes us through every reason why Sam Manekshaw came to be known as Sam Bahadur. The movie follows his path from 1934 with his entry in the Indian Military Academy to the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. To say that Vicky Kaushal aced the role of Sam Bahadur would be an understatement. The man didn't act as much like Sam Bahadur, he quite literally became Sam Bahadur. And the supporting cast? They aced their roles like they were made for them. Sam's strong, magnetic and powerful leadership is sure to get you hooked on this movie.
आज के बाद कोई भी ऑफिसर या जवान मेरे रिटन ऑर्डर के बिना अपनी पोस्ट से पीछे नहीं हटेगा और मैं वो ऑर्डर कभी नहीं दूंगा.
So, there you have it, the top 10 best Indian Army films. Have you watched all of these films? What do you think of them? Let us know in the comments below. Hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know what other topics you want us to cover. We'll meet you again. Until then, how's the Josh? Sorry, had to throw it in here. Thanks for watching.